to another episode of Metro TV. Today, we're at Costco. For why? We're going to check out the Al Pastor salad. Hopefully it's good, because I'm hungry. Let's go check it out. For those who don't know, Costco is a member-based discount warehouse store that also has a food court. That's right, discounted food too. But there's a new item on the block, and it's an acai bowl and this plant-based Al Pastor salad. Al Pastor salad? The salad sells for just $4.99 and it's made of chopped romaine, black beans, and fresh vegetables, and Banh vegetables and dressing. The whole thing is topped off with a generous portion of what looks like Al Pastor meat, but it's actually soy protein marinated in Al Pastor style seasoning. Let's see. I'm not sure what this is. It's like a spicy Thousand Island. Let's see. I mean, kind of tastes like meat. If I didn't know it was meat. But soy. It's really salty though. I feel like the olives, they probably took the olives from the Costco pizza. I don't know, Al Pastor salad's okay. I think it's better than the Caesar. I don't know why they gave me like croutons. I don't think the crouton's supposed to come with it, but I might as well use it. Let's see. Yeah, it gives it a different taste with the croutons. Yeah, with the croutons it's kind of funny. It's not vegan. The dressing contains eggs, although you may eat without the dressing. I needed some meat and ended up getting a classic $1.50 hot dog, and it comes with a soda fountain drink.
I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming.